In this video, we will discuss the method of purify gold from lead and processing it to obtain completely pure gold. Using borax to melt impurities is a common method in gold extraction known as the borax method. Borax or flux is added to help lower the melting temperature of impurities and make the process smoother. Borax helps clean impurities from the gold and protects the metal from oxidation. Lead, as mentioned, the melting point of lead is about 327.5 degrees Celsius. When lead is heated to its melting point, which is around 327.5 degrees Celsius, it melts and turns into a liquid. If the lead is mixed with gold, a small amount of lead may remain combined with the gold as a result of the melting process. To purify the gold from lead, methods such as cupellation are often used. The mixture is heated to high temperatures with certain materials, allowing the lead to separate and leaving behind pure gold. As you can see here, the alloy is still not refined. The alloy is heated to a high temperature exceeding 1000 degrees Celsius using a special furnace, causing the lead to oxidize and turn into lead oxide litharge, which either evaporates or is absorbed by the cupel, a porous material. Meanwhile, the gold remains unaffected and stays in its pure metallic form. Electrolysis. Metals can be separated using electrolysis, where the alloy is placed in an electrically conductive acid, and when an electric current is passed through, the metals ionize and separate based on the electrical potential difference of each metal. Selective dissolution, nitric acid, is used to dissolve the lead without affecting the gold, as gold is resistant to this acid. After removing the dissolved lead, the remaining gold is washed. Ensure you are working in a well-ventilated area or use a specialized ventilation system to avoid inhaling harmful. After dissolving the impurities, filter the solution using an appropriate filter to separate the acidic solution from the gold residue. But I don't use any filter. Thoroughly wash the remaining gold with distilled water to remove any acidic residues. If impurities remain, the gold can be put through an additional refining process using nitric acid.